So once a month we get Universal Yums, like different cookies, items basically from like around the world. So this month is special. Someplace I want to visit, France. All right. So we got breads with some stickers. Ooh, France. It's like the book, what's coming and not, I guess. Cookies. Honestly, this thing looks... I mean, I know it's new, but it looks so old. So, another chips. Cookies. Trophies. Okay. So yeah, I mean, milk roll. Not bad. I mean, they send a few stuff from around the world. It's pretty cool from France. French bagel. Wow. Anyways, guys, if you guys want to see us unbox more stuff, please subscribe and like.